Alright, now we're gonna actually melt some of the actual wells down, all the way down, because some of the metal pieces are sticking up, and I don't want to sand them. So what you want to do is push them down. So you push the button here and let this thing, whoa. Shit. Alright, so here we have it. It's not on right now, but we just plugged it in right now, and it's gonna be a while for it to heat up. So you push the button, there it is, it's coming on right now. So let's go ahead and see if we can lock it in place now. It's melting in there in place. Let it go, and that's it. That's pretty much what you do, if you guys can see. And they give it different styles, so you could just put this anywhere pretty much. Don't push the button because it heats up really quick. I'm gonna actually put it from this side. I'm gonna melt it there. You go guide them in there. You could guide them in there, very simple, just by standing them up. So we're gonna put another one here and push the button. Hold the button down, hold the button down, and let it go, and then that's it. That's welding in there. Alright, once we're done with that, we could come back with the tool that they give you and start cutting them out, right? Like nice and neat, cut them out. Just make sure you cover your eyes when you're doing this. Because it does fly everywhere. I have to come back and hit it a little bit more if you want. There you have it. All welded up. We're gonna sand it down. So we'll get rid of some of the spikes here, make sure it's not in there. Maybe melt them a little bit more. Like I came out. I'm gonna smooth it out right now. Get a grinder, make sure it's leveled up. All right, look at this, nice and solid. Drop it a couple times, don't matter. This is what I want to see, so I'm gonna hide all this from it. If you guys can see, the hard part is this part right here. It's all welded very well. Love the system. We're gonna continue some more parts. I'm gonna do this one. It's a smaller one, a smaller piece here, and this I tried to glue it too many times. It didn't want to work, so we're gonna put this one here. See if I can flip on this side and try to hold it there. Try to hold it as much as I can here. So we'll put one weld here. Not going through yet. There we go. Sticking together. We'll test it out right now as soon as we finish this one right here. Another one. Do another one here. Hold it in place. There we go. Make it stronger. Well, they're pretty good. It's a little bit off here, but we're okay. We'll sand it later. It's really good. Really good welds. Look at that. Now I'm gonna do the side ones after. Let's go down here too. I'm putting a rod just in case, too, a long rod throughout the whole thing, because I know this is not enough, but it does the job. It holds it. At least we know it's steady enough, you know. So keep it. I'm not gonna do the front because that's where everything's gonna be. You're gonna see it. So I'm gonna melt some of the stuff down slowly. Click on this, push them down. I'm gonna smooth it out. That's what I want to do. Push it down slowly, and you can see it getting hot in the tip. So the ones that are sticking out, just push them down slowly. And smooth out the whole thing. Very simple. I like this. Push it down. You see that? Melt it down. There we have it, all one piece now. This is gonna be pretty good. I put a piece of metal in there. I'm gonna sand it down. Make sure that I don't have anything poke on me, because it still feels some of it. You can still feel some tensions here, somewhere in here, right here. So I'm gonna sand those down a little bit. But here's the finished product yet. I'm gonna put some putty in here. We're gonna cover some of the stuff in here, sand it down, and set it up. Make sure that we cut it enough, shorten it up. Alright, so here it is. I ended up doing a marker on this one. It came out a little crooked too. But for the one-time use, one-day use, it's going to be perfect. I even put the little pick here, some buttons here. I didn't want to paint them too much because it's only going to be used for one day. And it was a Halloween thing, alright? So if you guys don't know Adventure Time, this is it. If you're going to do cosplay, instead of spending the money, I just end up building it. I didn't want to buy something expensive for the one-time use. And the prop is wonderful. This is the second year we have it. And it's been lasting for quite a while. I just posted the video just so you guys could see the final results on it. I couldn't find any footage of the Halloween party we went to, but she was the talk of the actual party because of the actual prop. I even did the little things here, and it was a cheap little design we did. Simple. It did come out a little crooked because this is the hardest part to actually put together. Even the metal pieces, because the whole thing was a little bit off. Welding it was very difficulty. Making a prop like this, when it's not stable enough, it's the hardest thing to do. I ran out of time, so I didn't get to sand the whole thing, but I put putty and I covered it up as much as I can. And she loved it. She didn't want me to throw it away. She's like, hey, this is my daughter's prop to begin with. She's a cosplay. She does a cosplay. I was about to throw her away, and she's like, don't touch it. Leave it alone. Because that's how much she likes it. So she saw me how to put the hard work on it and then put it together. So I'm glad she appreciates, and I hope you guys do too. So in case you guys like this kind of stuff, hit the like and subscribe. Help this channel out so we could bring more stuff like this. And I got plenty more where this came from. I just don't have sometimes. I want to see this channel grow, so I could spend more time on this channel. So if you guys could help out, I will really appreciate. Hope you guys enjoy this video.